Hey everyone and welcome. I'm Trang Hooser, your trusted real estate guy here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we're talking about one of the biggest and most exciting investment you ever make, buying a home. And with such a significant step, you want to make sure that you are doing this the right way. My first and arguably most crucial piece of advice, utilize a licensed professional who represents you. That's key. A great buyer's agent isn't just opening doors and lockboxes. They're your advocate, your negotiator, and your expert guide through every twist and turn of the market. They're looking out for your best interest. When choosing your agent, be sure they can get you access to both on and off market properties. The best deals, especially in competitive market like ours, sometimes never even hit the public listing. A well-connected agent can open doors to hidden gems you wouldn't find otherwise, giving you a serious edge in finding that perfect nice home. Next, always review the seller's disclosure about the property. This is where the seller reveals known issues or important details about the home's condition. Don't skim this. It is vital information that can protect you from unexpected surprises down the road. It helps you understand exactly what you are buying. Here's non-negotiable. Get a professional home inspector. This isn't just about spotting major red flags. It is about getting detailed health report for your potential new home. An inspector will meticulously examine everything from the foundation to the roof, giving you peace of mind and leverage for negotiations. It is truly money well spent. And this ties directly into your next point. A good agent will make your offer contingent on a satisfactory inspection. This means if your inspection uncovers major issue, you have the power to negotiate repairs, request a price reduction, or even walk away from the deal without losing your earnest money. It is your ultimate safety net in ensuring you're buying a nice home, not a money pit. Buying a home is exciting, but requires smart, informed decisions. Don't do this alone. Contact me today, Trang Hooser, at 702-324-2063. We can chat about the entire process, tailored to your needs, and ensure your home buying journey is smooth and successful and leads you to a truly wonderful home in your desired area. Hey, it's Trang Hooser, and listen, if you don't follow this channel, there is a chance that you'll never see me again. I consistently put out helpful content for those that are currently in the real estate market. This information can be extremely helpful for your buying and selling needs. So be sure, like and subscribe here. And most importantly, leave a comment to let us know if this video was helpful for you. We're here to help the greater Las Vegas community, and we always love your thoughts and questions. Follow now, and then we'll see you with our next helpful video.